Flat feet, also named fallen arches, are a postural deformity that impacts the arches of the feet. People with flat feet either have low arches, no arch or curvature around the internal side of the sole of their foot. When people with this problem stand, the sole of their foot often makes a complete connection with the floor. In this video on parshealthhtv, we have collected a list of our 10 best flat feet activities you can do yourself efficiently at home to help relieve some painful signs associated with the condition. Stay tuned with us. This disorder can lead to discomfort and pain in some individuals as the foot's arch plays a vital role in body alignment and posture. Consequently, an absence of the arch can disrupt this balance. Arch strengthening workouts for flat feet can help relieve some of the pains you may be experiencing and enhance your posture in the long run. Most activities for flat feet are suggested, even if you have a partial flat foot or a normal healthy foot arch. The stronger your arches are, the less muscle tiredness you will feel in your feet and legs. Each of these arch strengthening activities for flat feet can be carried out every day in a matter of a few minutes in the comfort of your home. They initiate at a beginner level and are later more difficult when you feel ready. If you start to feel any discomfort, then stop. Remember, you can take a day off when your muscles are aching, and you need rest. Number 10. Towel Scrunch. An easy exercise that strengthens the arches is the towel scrunch. You should remain seated and only use one towel. Sit down on a chair and lay a towel flat at your feet to begin. Grab the towel with your toe muscles only until you can no longer pull it under your foot. You should do 2 sets of this workout for each foot, initiating with a regular bath towel once a day. You can begin to perform more sets as soon as you feel comfortable. Number 9. Toe extension. The toe extension stretch, which focuses on the muscles on the top of the foot that let you control the motion of your toes, is a simple stretch for the toe extensor muscles. Hold for 20 seconds and gently press down on the toe fingers until your knuckles are visible. Strength and flexibility can be improved by doing the stretch 3 to 4 times per set. Number 8. Towel stretch. The Achilles tendon can be stretched with a towel to relieve tightness or inflammation in these tendons. Begin by sitting on the floor and wrapping a towel around your feet balls. Pull the towel toward yourself while keeping your torso and knees straight until you feel the Achilles tendon stretching. Release after 30 seconds, and then do it again. 10 times a day, do this stretch. Number 7. Stork stretch. Stand with one foot on the floor and gradually raise the other foot to put more pressure on the foot on the ground. Imagine that someone is putting more pressure on your heels by raising your foot above the arch. You can stand close to a wall or some furniture if you need help. After 10 seconds of stretching your muscles, release and repeat on the opposite foot. Number 6. Heel raise. Stand in the heel raise position with both feet flat on the ground. If you want to be supported, you can hold onto something. Use only the balls of your feet to push up and raise your heels off the ground. Stand firm on this foothold for a couple of moments. Then, at that point, continuously lower yourself back down. You can make this more difficult by holding a small object between your ankles while doing the heel raise. Try to complete 3 sets of 10 heel raises per day. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Toe crawl. Start by sitting in a chair with both of your feet flat on the floor and your back straight. As if you are attempting to grab the floor, scrunch up your toes. Now utilize your toes to drag your whole foot forward as though your foot is creeping. You can do this with both feet for as long as you want, but you shouldn't be pushing your feet forward with your leg muscles. Instead, the crawl should come from the muscles in your feet. Number 4. Go barefoot. In addition to the aforementioned stretches and exercises, going a day or two without shoes can help strengthen your feet. Barefoot movement has been shown to strengthen your feet's muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments, according to some research. You can exercise your feet barefoot at the park, at the beach, or even on a foot massage mat. Number 3. Plantar fasciitis stretch. To perform the toes to stretch, place your feet against a wall and keep your heels and arches as flat as possible. For additional support and comfort, you can also position a tennis ball or foam roller in front. 10 seconds remain in the stretch. Try to do this exercise 4 times a day, 10 times for each set. Number 2. Foot roller. Hold a foot roller or a frozen drinking bottle on its side in front of you while remaining seated. Roll the roller back toward your heel after applying moderate pressure and pressing down on the bottle with the ball of your foot. This exercise does not just stretch your foot. It also massages it and can assist with alleviating touchiness in the curve. Number 1. Stair heel raises. To perform stair heel raises, you must stand on a step with your toes. The balls of your feet are on the step for a part of the exercise. Push in slowly and lift your foot's heel into the air. Relax and bring your feet back down after a brief hold. For this exercise to be effective, you must resist the urge to lower your heel below the stair line. Initiate with 10 sets of 10 stair raises and aim to complete 3 sets a day without pain. For your feet's long-term health, doing exercises for flat feet to strengthen the arches is essential. Maintaining the strength of the arches is a gradual process that should be done regularly to be effective. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.